You need to know this indicator strategy before doing option trading. Go to the tradingview.com. In the indicator section, search supertrend, multi-time frame, lump sum. Add one more indicator, that is exponential moving average. In the settings, EMA make the length 50, and in the styles make the yellow color. When the super trend gives you the blue line at the bottom along with the price crosses above the 50 exponential moving average, buy the call. When the super trend gives you the red signal along with the price crosses below the 50 exponential moving average, sell the call. Before applying it to the real money trading, do backtest the indicator, do paper trade, minimize the stop loss and gain more profits. At the last, don't forget to follow the page.